Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, April 20th. Friday was an interesting day as China led the way to some downward pressure, and we can see how the market reacted to that here in the NASDAQ market. It gapped lower, went lower, but my feeling is I don't look for a follow through on Monday. I'm looking for a sideways move on Monday, not another dramatic move down. I think the information's out. It's been absorbed, and I think it's kind of over from my point of view. So I'm looking for a market to move back to the upside. Yes, the dollar continues weaker as the euro tried to get stronger, but can we get followed through? I don't think so. People really weren't that confident going into the weekend. I'm looking for a down day in the euro on Monday. Also, the notes, yes, it did get stronger, but it makes sense when you and I think about how capital flows between the stock market and interest rate market. Stock market down, this up, fine, makes sense. Do I expect follow through to the upside? I do not. I am looking for this market to go sideways or down on Monday. Gold, sideways move. Look at all the stuff that happened and this hardly reacted to it. You know, it's behaving like it did in 1990. It reminds me of when Saddam was visiting Kuwait. You remember that? In the 1990 war? Well, that's the way gold behaved through that whole thing. It acted like a base metal. So this is fascinating to me. I think it says a lot about gold in terms of where it is. I look for the continuation, though, of a sideways market. Crude oil, well, let's get back to crude oil. Crude oil made new highs the day before. Yesterday, or I should say on Friday, the market did come back off a bit. I am looking for follow through to the downside, so I am bearish on this setup that we have here. Monday and Tuesday I think are going to be very important, so I'm looking for a pullback in that market. Soybeans, sideways move. I don't expect strong movement to the upside, which is not what I expected for on Friday. Not a strong move. I'm looking for that to continue for Monday's action. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. And in the meantime, take care.